In this video, let me show you how to fix Telegram web version not working. If you're trying to use Telegram on the web and if you're having issues, let me show you the few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do is try to clear out the browser cache and cookies. So within the web browser, tap on the three-dotted line on the top right, head over to delete browsing data and make sure that at least last 24 hours is selected, and then you can simply tap on delete. Once you complete this step, try to re-log into your Telegram account and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue still persists, then what you'll also need to ensure is that you disable any sort of ad blockers as well as VPNs that you might be connected to. Now, even after trying both of these steps, you're still having issues with it, what you simply need to do is switch your interface version. So Telegram has two web versions, which is the Web K and Web A. To ensure which one you're currently on, you can check the URL. Currently, as you can see in my situation, it says web.telegram.org/a. So depending upon your case as well, you can check which version you are currently in, and then you can try switching to a different version. So you can simply edit the URL, and instead of the A, you can switch to the K version. This way you'll need to re-log into your account, and by doing this simple step, you should be able to fix this issue. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.